All right. Development deals, land deals. We're going to look at Galveston. This is what I have listed right now. We'll go south. I have this lot that just expired. Um, we're working on actually getting possibly a single family listing on it. This is just a single tract of land on Fathom in Freeport. Let me give you the dimensions real quick. Oh, I don't have the dimensions, but right there on corner of Fathom. You can see on the parcel map that it's not, this one's not on the water. So that's why it's priced a little bit lower than, but it's this lot right here, or excuse me, right here. So little house right there. Let's move on. You coming up the island a little bit. We have this large tract over here on the pass. This flag has moved. It's actually not this one. It's this 6.5 acres right here on San Luis Pass, 210 square feet of frontage right here, very deep. So probably ideal for some type of development, maybe a road. If this doesn't, if if the frontage is not enough, then maybe we can talk to some of these neighbors and see if they're interested in selling because everything's for sale, isn't it? So moving on, let's go up the island a little bit more. Up on St. Louis Pass, we have a couple of tracts of land over here off of Seabird. I actually have three listings right now. This one's coming soon. This is an acre right on Seabird and between San Jacinto and Seabird. I have a full acre right here. Then I have two tracts that are these are half an acre, I think. Yeah, a little less than half an acre each. So that'd be good for commercial or residential. I don't own this one. I mean, I don't have this listing, but we can definitely talk about it. So that's Seabird. That's south of Jamaica Beach. So here's Jamaica Beach right here for reference. Coming up closer to the main part of the island, on Termini, St. Louis. I have a couple properties over here on this corner. One I have listed for 550. This is 13430. There's a Gary Green office right there. This is right next to 11 Mile Road. This can go. This is zoned um, commercial. I'll show you the parcel map right here, but we got 219 by 300 square feet. Net across the street from that, I have this little property on 13333. This one is zero point 0.9 acres right here, so probably the same price per square foot as this. The one across the street, we're at um 360,000 an acre. So that's just frontage right there. Coming up, there's this interesting property. There's two lots right here. One we have listed, the other's coming soon. This is 11908 Stewart Road. Stewart's a little bit quieter of a road. We have this listed at 110,000 and 500 per acre. This tract right here is 3.5 acres, but right next door is another one that's 6.75. So we'll probably list it for a little bit less per square foot. There is an easement right here. I believe that this is for the road. So there's actually a road. We'll have to look into this, but there's a possible road that we will be going through connected from Ostermeyer to Stewart. And so this would be good for, you could just basically do these kind of lots. These were parceled out as acre lots for development. So interesting opportunities right there. So you can do on both sides. And this is an active listing. This is for sale. This is a different owner, but we could easily get all of this together with the road going through it would be pretty ideal. If you were to get these two tracks together, you could divide them into 1 acre tracks, it would work pretty well. So that's Stewart Road. Right around the corner off of Ostermeyer and 9 Mile Road, we have this whole property. We actually had plans for development. This is 6.92 acres. We're at 130 an acre. This one, you could see there's roads on the west side of 9 Mile, Cindy, David, Charlie. Um, we could possibly continue those out. So this one ends at Charlie. And then there's another 2 acres down here that we can work on throwing into the deal. All these little houses they're small, little, big is that? 6,000 square foot tracks. So, I mean, that's all you need to build a house. So you can build smaller houses on here would be appropriate, or you can do something big like this one right here. Um, Moving on, that's what we have on the west. Up here on the mainland, we've got this commercial property on Broadway. This was zoned as actually as a hotel. It's next to a hotel. This is 6201 Broadway. It's 4 acres, listed at 1.2 an acre. Um, so this is incredible visibility. Um, Good for a large hotel or maybe even a hospital. Retail would go well here. So it's been 7 minutes. We've got a lot of off-market properties in Galveston as well as some single-family lots and new construction. If you're interested in that, let me know.